Now I'm sure you'll agree, one of the best things about the whole gardening journey is when it comes time to harvest. It's got 27 holes, it's got this trellis that goes on the back. It's optional, but definitely get one because you can grow your vine crops as well. I've just got a couple of little vine crops over the back here which I've just put in, so stay tuned. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I harvest. And I don't have a big range on here. I've got quite a few lettuce, I've got some basil, I've got some watercress, and this beautiful dill. Let's start with the dill. That is just absolutely beautiful. Check out that. Now you can't buy that dill in the shops that big, can you? Like if you, seriously, you go down to Woolworths or Coles or whatever and you get one of those little plastic containers, which we shouldn't be doing anyway, you get about that much in there and it's about $4 or $5. It's ridiculous. Look at the size of that. That, oh, smells so good too. Oh, and the old, here we go, look at this. Some watercress. The old puha and pork bone for the Kiwis out there. That's just beautiful. Really love the taste of it. Can't remember the actual variety this is called, but it's got a really intense flavour. Beautiful. Oh, and check out watercress roots. They are so white. It's just unbelievable. White, fluffy. That is just such a healthy plant. You can see the roots they're growing up into the plant itself. They're getting all that oxygen up there and all that nutrient. It's just amazing. You can probably tell I'm a bit of a fan of the old watercress, and I'm also a very big fan of the rocket. Beautiful peppery rocket. It's so crunchy and it's so full of flavour. Look at that. It's beautiful. I've broken the root system off there because obviously it's got quite a big root system. Got some lettuce in here. Now this lettuce is a little bit leggy, but that'll go perfectly in your salads. Good old kale. I'll probably leave the kale in there because I want that to get bigger. That's your curly kale. More lettuce over the back here. We've got some really nice cos. The lid actually comes off, so when we're finished here, I can, any root system that's broke off inside, I can actually just lift the lid off, take the root system out, give them a quick wipe out, and then I'm good to plant seedlings straight away. So the maintenance on this thing is just minimal. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Beautiful cos lettuce there. Oh, my seedling house just dropped its lid. Oh, this basil. The size of that. I think that's the only basil I've got on here. Oh, that is intense. The smell is just intense. Unbelievable. What else do we have? We have this huge lettuce in here. I'll just get rid of all these. Oh, we also got some chives here. Garlic. Garlic chives. I'm going to put them back in just to keep them going again. I'll just get all this lettuce out if I can find where it starts. Holy moly. Huge. I don't really like to grow lettuce this big because what I find is it can get quite bitter if you leave it too long, but these will be fine. These will be really, really nice in the salad. And I have sprayed zero on these, not even a single organic spray, anything. That lettuce is massive. It probably weighs close to 1 kilo, I reckon. Look at that. It's actually a mixed lettuce here. See, I've got some different types of lettuce leaves. Beautiful. What else have we got? Some more chives. They are good. Really good. Oh, that's actually an onion chive because that is, it's like, you know, when you cut up onion in the kitchen, it makes your eyes water. I just chewed on that, it's made my eyes water. Another massive lettuce there. Some more rocket, which I'll leave in because I want that to get big and nice. Big fluffy roots there as well. It's just amazing. Pop them back in there, and I think the last one here I'm going to pull out is another beautiful cos. In actual fact, I must have dropped 2 seeds in together, so there's 1 cos lettuce, 2 cos lettuce. The beauty about your baskets too, so in all your salad tables, is just take the roots off and you'll find you'll be able to use that basket again. So there you have it. How good is that? Oh, hang on, I'm going to take this basil out because I've got some more seedlings to go in here. So plenty of basil as well. Get some nice basil pesto. Don't forget to watch my video on making basil pesto. It was the first time I've ever done it. Turned out absolutely beautifully. Well, there you have it. Speaking of the basil, just from this table, I've got some beautiful basil. I can't even hold up all this lettuce because there's too much. I'll give it a go. Hang on. I'm dropping it everywhere here. That's probably about 2/3 of it. All right. And got some nice rocket in there, and I've also got some burpless, I think they are, and some miniature cucumbers just starting to grow up the back of this trellis here as well. So there you have it. It's going to last you for years and years. It's got all the good gear. Got the full aluminium frame with all the stainless steel fittings. It's fully adjustable. It's got a 100-litre tank, a really good, efficient, good quality, efficient pump that uses hardly any power at all. Yeah, you can't go wrong with one of these. Cheers.